Hi, welcome to Deel. We are happy to have you on board.
We know that you may have many questions as you onboard with us in Romania, so we will be going through some country-specific information, such as employment agreement, occupational medical certificate, deduction statement, district of health and social care. The employment agreement will be drafted in two languages and will incorporate the specific occupational code assigned to each job position, organized by the occupational sectors. The agreement must be signed by both parties, the employee and the deal, at least one day prior to the commencement date, as it is the employer's responsibility to register it in the employee's electronic program, Revisal, before the employment relationship begins. As part of your onboarding process, you are required to undertake a medical exam to evaluate and monitor any potential health risks. You may take your medical exam before your start date. We won't be able to countersign your employment agreement until a medical exam has taken place. Please create an account with the Regina Maria with the same email address as you use for the Deel account. You will then be automatically enrolled in Deel subscription to pay for the medical exam. We will send you a referral via the Dropbox sign, which you should sign and bring to your appointment. When the exam is completed and results are received, you should upload your medical certificate to the compliant document section on the Deel platform. In Romania, employees enjoy an income tax reduction on their earnings they receive from the primary job. Personal deduction applies to taxable income with a fundamental role. It is important to note that the person deduction is applicable to only one job, deducted as a primary one. Kindly download the provided form and fill it out. Indicate whether you hold an employment agreement with another employer for either a full-time or a part-time position, and confirm if the primary function is attributed to this other employer. This implies that your personal tax deduction is applied to the income received from this additional employer. Once completed, please sign the document and upload a PDF copy of the signed document on the required section on the Deel platform. Deel will use the information in your complete form to ensure you are paying the correct social and pension contribution to the right health insurance house. Please download, complete, and sign the District of Health and Social Care form. Then upload a scanned copy or PDF of your signed document onto the required document section. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about Deel. We hope this information will be helpful to you and your onboarding journey.